Fun little trick for building an archway. After measuring how wide our opening was and how tall we wanted the arch to be, we took those measurements and laid them out on a piece of plywood. Then attached screws in 5 different locations: top center, bottom right, bottom left, and at the left and right side at the height of the arch. Then you take 2 straight long pieces of wood and lay them so that one is touching the top center screw and the bottom screw, and the other is touching the top center and opposite upper screw. Then fasten the pieces together at that angle. Place your pencil right in the middle of the intersection. Then slowly pull the pencil and the angled pieces riding along the screws on each side. This gives you a perfect radius. From there, use a jigsaw to cut the radius and trace that piece of plywood to create an identical one for the backside. Then screw these 2 pieces together to create this plywood arch structure, then mounted it to the opening. From there, we drywalled the front and the back. For the arch drywall piece, we cut a long piece at the correct width and made a ton of curved cuts on the back side so that it would bend the way we wanted it to. Fastened it with screws and then finished all the drywall. And normally I would say, and that's it, a perfect arch. But honestly, that was a lot of work. But it is a perfect arch, and it was totally worth it.